Ever open Excel, stare at the endless grid of tiny boxes, and instantly want to close it? You're not alone. But Excel is actually stupidly simple. Let's look at an example. Welcome to Bluebell Apartments, home to 16 cats living in perfect harmony, unlike us humans. We got 4 floors and 4 blocks. My favorite is Ruby. Pick your favorite and drop it in the comment. And yes, I know the floor numbers in the picture are a little messed up. AI did its best to create it, but just roll with it. How does this equals to Excel? Easy. Each block is a column, each floor is a row. Put them together and you get a magical Excel grid. I know you don't need a cat apartment to understand rows and columns, but I'm building up for the most important part, the cell. And no, it's not the biological kind. I'm talking about the little grey boxes you see when you open an Excel sheet. Why is it a big deal? Because of their names. You need cell names to literally do anything inside an Excel. For formulas, for scripts, you name it. Think of it like a flat number. Sherlock Holmes has 221B. Take our cat Max. He lives in block C and in the 3rd floor, so his flat number is C3. Excel works exactly the same way. Click on any box, combine the column letter and the row number, and boom, you have a cell name. Sounds very basic, but it's gonna make a lot of sense in the future videos. And that's it. Rows, columns, and cells. 3 simple things. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.